Mi nombre es Lucía. It's a great city for food. You can choose food from all over the world, actually. It's a small city, but at the same, you got everything. Like, there's a lot of things to do in the evening. The atmosphere in Cardiff is amazing. Everybody's happy.
Hola, me llamo Rocío. My favorite place is Bute Park, with a lot of trees, the river, because in Murcia, where I come from, it's not the same. The atmosphere that day for the final Champions League is going to be incredible.
It's gonna be crazy.